Greetings. We are the students of Artificial Intelligence of Class 12 from DPS Indranagar, and we have created a project on smart sentiment analysis. The problem statement of our project can be stated as: how can we help the users as well as the stakeholders of different services and utilities to get a better understanding of their choices and potential improvements through the process of smart sentiment analysis after processing their reviews. My name is Jaikul Shresht, and I am the project leader of this project. As the leader of the Smart Sentiment Analysis project, I was responsible for curating the ideologies behind this project, for scheduling the tasks amongst team members, for laying a strong foundation of team building, and for ensuring time management. I was also the forefront for solving any doubts or queries pertaining to the project.
This is Udrakshpant. My role was as a data expert. I collected the data required for training and ensured that the data was authentic and coherent.
I am Parth Patel. I was the designer of the project and I was the in charge facilitating the flow to go about the project.
My name is Krish Arora. My role is information researcher. I was in charge of collecting questions from end users, finding and prepare the report.
My name is Kanishk. I am the primary programmer and the lead tester of this project. I will guide you through the program in a moment.
My name is Arnab Mishra. My role in this project was as a code tester and to check and check the accuracy and efficiency of the model.
Kanishk on this end, and I will quickly walk you through the program. First of all, we download the NLTK library, which we'll use to download the Vader lexicon, which is an inbuilt library of words and their associated sentiment scores. Now we'll create an item of the sentiment intensity analyzer class and name it analyzer. It will take the text from the user and analyze its sentiment. So if the review contains the word fake, then it means that the product or service used is misleading. So it will directly mark it as fake. It will analyze its polarity scores, and if the score is above zero point 0.2, it's a positive review. If it's less than minus 0.06, it's a negative review, and in between, it will be a neutral review. Going further, we'll try to analyze the tone of the user. So if it's fake, then we'll say that it's a manipulated review and it's easy to understand. Uh, if it's greater than zero point 0.2, then it's a joyful review. It's less than minus zero point 0.2, then it's angry, and minus 0.05, it becomes sad. Otherwise, it's neutral. And the return function will save the information in the sentiment and tonality variables. Trying to get an overall opinion, we'll use both the sentiment and tonality variables in combinations. So if the sentiment is either fake or manipulated, then obviously it's fake. And if the sentiment is positive and the tone is happy, we'll say likely true and positive. If the sentiment is negative and unhappy, we'll say likely true and negative. And if there are any other combinations like negative and happy, then AI opinion will say it's uncertain. Now we come to the main execution block of the program. The if name line makes sure that the program is run directly and not as a module or script from some other program. The text variable, it takes the input from the user in the form of string variable. After that, the analyze sentiment function is used to retrieve the sentiment and tonality. And the print function, it's quite basic. It will print the sentiment and tonality of the program. The AI opinion, it will also be printed. And thus we come to the end of our presentation. Now let's run the program and look at a few examples. I have the review of the movie Jurassic Park and I'll paste it here. It's a negative review and it starts with I was so excited, but it turned out to be a disaster and things don't make sense. Good guys, bad guys. Overall, it's a mix of so many positive and negative words. So let's see what the AI has to say. It says the sentiment is negative, so we're right on that part. The tone is angry because obviously the expectations of the guy were not met, certainly. The AI opinion is uncertain because the movie review has a lot of positive and negative words jumbled together. Like we can see that bad, nice, and bad direction, good guys, bad guys. So overall, we ride on all three of our parameters. Now we have a review where the user is trying to say that the movie is worth 10,000 out of 10 with so many capital letters and funny emoji and the fire emoji string. So let's see what our program has to say about this. Now the program says the sentiment is fake, the tone is manipulated, and the AI opinion is fake.